Hello, my friends. I'm sharing with you a new product, new to me anyway. There's an online company called Grabie that sells all sorts of unusual things, including art supplies. If you're into scrapbooking, it's really fun to look at their store. I'll link it down below. And if you want to make a purchase, you can save 15% by using my coupon code, which I will list down below for you. They've sent me acrylic paints, which I've liked, a whole set of colored pencils. I did videos on using both of them, and you can find those in my playlist. But now they've sent me some acrylic markers, multi-surface. So I want to try them out on canvas, a rock, and a piece of glass. So I think that should be a good test. Now I've primed these 3 colors already, but let me show you how they say to prime the others. I think I'll go with this lavender, would be nice on that one, and maybe that. Is there silver? Yeah, let's try silver too, maybe. So the thing to do, it says, first time use, place marker tip up vertically and press tips lightly to release pressure. Okay. Oh, maybe I did that one already. Looks like I did. I forgot. I'll set that aside for now. How about this one? No, this one's brand new. So depress the tip. And now you shake it 30 times. Ooh, I did 31. Okay, then you're gonna press the tip down 10 to 30 times, it says, until the pen tip is filled with ink. And I can see it happening. Nice, nice fine tip. I love that. All right. Same thing here. This is a new one, so release the tip. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, that one took the full, I hear you. Slinky's outside today, but that is my dog Kissy, who is not feeling well. Poor thing. I've given her some painkiller, but she's not feeling well. I would let her in here, but she would be really loud. So, okay. Let's, this was a rock. I went outside to get a rock to experiment on, and I found one that I had actually poured on a while back with some leftovers. So if anyone were to find that rock, they would really be puzzled as to what kind that is. But let's see how some silver looks on there. There are cells in there. I'm just gonna kind of outline. Very nice. I'm just following the shape of the cells. Well, I don't need to do the whole thing for you, but you can see that the coverage is very good. It's opaque. Oops. Yeah, I like that. Let me fill in some of those. Flows very well. Excuse my voice, I'm still recovering from bad cold. Well, anyway, you can see what I'm driving at. Fun. All right, works great on the stone. I will let that dry. I don't know how long it takes to dry. Let me just rub my finger across. It dries pretty quick. That silver is not going anywhere, so that's good. Excuse me. All right, let's just try a little bit on this plastic cup. Nice. I do like the fine tip. Okay, and we'll come back to that and see if it smears. I don't expect it will. Let's try the gold. So if you were to have a little picture in here, you could either draw on the mat or right on the glass to decorate it. Make a little flower. Very rudimentary, but you get the idea. Anyway, yes. I like them, but the big test is going to be on the canvas because, let's see how this is. Yep, look at that. Very good. Because we all have pours that we've done that need a little help. Now, this is pretty, but it's just kind of all one value. There's some light areas, but I want to brighten it up with some of these markers. So I think I'll start with this lavender color. And as I said, there are 28 colors here. Now, I have purchased a very expensive 16-piece set from Michaels. I won't say the brand name. I did compare the red side by side, and I'll tell you, I couldn't tell the difference. And you get 28 for less than this one, plus 15% off with my coupon code. So if you want to try some of these, I wouldn't be shy about doing it. Let's see. Kind of fun. Let's try another color and kind of blend and see. Oops, I forgot to do this first. See if you can reverse the order. Okay. I think it's, I don't know that you can blend because they're opaque, but let's see if the color, if I go right over it, if it's different. I don't know that it, oh, I like that blue. That is a pretty color. The colors are not labeled. I don't know what it looks like. It's a beautiful turquoise, but I can see a lot of potential for this. Let's try running some gold on some of these lines here. As I said, this one was already primed. Or should I stop? Dot, 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 dot. You know how I love lines. Well, I haven't given any thought to how, oops, I ran my hand over that. Oh well. My dot, dot, dots changed up a bit, but that's okay. This is just a practice thing. But you can see how nicely, I love the fine tip and how nicely goes on and just livens up a less than stellar pour. Let's see, I already tried that. That's dry. The plastic cup. Let's see how, if it dried on the glass already. Yes. So dries quickly. Fine tip. Wonderful variety of colors. I'm excited about it. You know how I love to embellish, and it doesn't have to be fancy. It could just be kind of following the suggestions of your pour and really dress things up. So thank you, Grabie. Thank you for sending me these cool acrylic markers. And folks, I hope you'll give them a try. If you do, be sure to use my coupon code found below. And I'll see you next time.